Once upon a time, a young dashing sector known as finance met a beautiful younger sector known as technology. The two fell in love, and with their union was born one of the greatest sectors of this time and age, financial technology. From fintech came dozens of products and services to serve different market needs, from loans to customers for personal or business reasons, to some enabling its customers to make payments seamlessly. So seamless are the payments that you can send cash to Ghana, Nigeria, Rwanda, Tanzania, or Uganda for free. They finally did it. A cheaper way to send cash. That's right, cheaper cash. From TechWiz, I'm Martin Gevenji. Let's take it and go. Cheaper Cash is one of the first platforms of its kind to offer instant cross-border mobile money transfers in Africa and is as easy as sending a text message. Did I also mention that it's free? Huh? I know what you're asking. But why? What's the catch? Well, Cheaper Cash is committed to significantly improving access to critical financial services to over 1 billion people living in Africa fast, cheap, and easy. But being the cautious Kenyans we are, I know you're wondering, it's a free app that offers a free service. Where and how are they making their money, right? I got you guys. I asked that too. And that's where you come in. By buying airtime and other products that Cheaper Cash offers at better prices than anyone else, you help them continue providing the platform for free to millions of Africans. Oh, I hadn't mentioned the discounted airtime yet? I'll get to that in a few. They have been operating in the Kenyan market for the past 1 year or so, and the app is available for both Android and iOS devices, which is not a common thing, considering most fintech apps mostly target Android devices. The app is visually appealing with purple accents, perhaps a promise of royalty and great service. Well, the simplicity of the sign-up process is encouraging as the first point of contact with the app. All you have to do is add your number and set a password, bearing in mind that Cheaper Cash is a financial product, so you're mandated to keep all your passwords your secret, or you and your spouse's secret. Just don't fall for those fake SMSs. If you are like me, then you knew of Cheaper Cash's existence by referral or had a friend talk about it. The good thing about creating a Cheaper Cash profile via a referral is that you get free cash rewards. All you need to do to redeem this freely earned cash is to make sure you get verified, then deposit and send money to a friend. Free cash earned. The verification process is straightforward and easy, not as stressing as the verification processes of other apps, where to get the blue tick, you have to struggle. All you simply need to do is click on the profile tab on the app and scroll down to the bottom and click on Verify My Account, where you'll be required to take a photo of your ID and then a selfie holding your ID. Just make sure to get clear shots and then wait for your free money. Find my referral code in the description down below. Now, to using the app. So you ask, how can I top up my Cheaper Cash wallet? And we're glad you asked. You can use m-pesa. Go to your profile tab and click Add Cash. A menu appears for the number or numbers you created the account with. Enter the amount you wish to add to your wallet and click Add Cash. A pop-up menu for your m-pesa PIN will appear on your phone. Input your PIN and your account will be credited immediately. Alternatively, if you don't see the pop-up for m-pesa PIN, you can use Cheaper Cash's pay bill number on the m-pesa menu on your phone. Select Lipa na M-Pesa, then pay bill. Then enter 5117604 business number, enter Cheaper for the account number, confirm the amount you want to add, input your PIN, and the amount will be deposited instantly into your Cheaper Cash wallet. In some few months, Kenyan users will be able to deposit money directly into their wallet using their debit cards. Wow! Kenyans are lucky to have both options at their disposal, which is not something you can say for other markets that are yet to embrace mobile money the way the Kenyan market has. And now to the even more exciting bit, airtime and bundles. Now, the team at Cheaper Cash is made up of young guys in pursuit of solving financial challenges. And they realize that one of the most important things that people value is the need to stay connected. With that, they came up with the idea of discounted airtime to users. For example, you get airtime worth 100 bob for only 98 shillings. I know what you're saying. It's only 2 bob. But think about this. How many times are you going to buy 100 bob worth of airtime? And how many times are you going to save 2 shillings? Because these discounts also increase as the amount of airtime purchases increases. The option is available at the profile tab, where you can then smash the buy airtime button and get airtime for your Safaricom and Airtel lines. What a wow! Before we forget, we said Cheaper Cash is a payments app, right? So it comes with a whole lot of beneficial features apart from just the airtime and money transfer. If you're a merchant or business person selling goods online or in a store, you can get paid by your customers simply by sharing the payment link located in your profile tab under the Share Your Payment Link option. This amazing feature also allows those without the app to pay anyone with the app. So if your friend has your moolah and you found them loaded somewhere along Kenyatta Avenue, you don't need to go to an agent to get your money. Simply share the link with them and you will get paid instantly. Hapo vipi wadhi? Just don't leave without asking them to join Cheaper Cash to get their referral bonus. Kurudisha mkono, huh? Just a reminder, my referral code is in the description below. Huh? Till the next one, we done take it. But before we go, referral link in the description. Don't forget. We hope you found this video useful. If you did, then do hit that thumbs up button, share the video, and if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any updates on your daily consumer tech.